Today we're going to make this kidney wire hook, and then we're going to put it on a bead, wire wrap it and put it on a bead. So we'll have another one of these matching earrings. He's got the wire wrap at the bottom, a bead, and we're going to make this kidney hook. So first of all, we're going to make a kidney hook. So what you will need is 22 gauge wire, jewelry making wire. You'll also need barrel pliers, chain nose pliers, round nose pliers, a file or metal file, and you'll need flush cutters. So I'm going to pick up the ruler, pick up the jewelry making wire. So just measure it out. Put my finger there, pick up my flush cutters, use the back of my flush cutters and cut to that required length. So 2.5 there. I'm going to bend this in half. I'm going to pick up my barrel pliers. I think I'll use this one. And I'm going to bend it in half like that. If you ain't got these barrel pliers, you can use like a pen or something, just something to bend it round. But I'm using barrel pliers. I'm just using this one here. So I bent it in half, and then I'll just make sure that it's equal. So I've bent it in half now. So that is the first step. Now I'm going to pick up my ruler. Measure about 1 inch. About 1 inch. Yeah, that's about 1 inch there. Keep my thumb there. I'm going to pick up my chain nose pliers. Pick up my chain nose pliers, going to go there and bend it completely. 90 degrees. So I've bent it like that. So that's the second step. It's bent like that. I'm going to pick up my round nose ply. This bit is this little mark there. Like that. And then bring this bit down like that. Bring it across. Like that. It looks like a chair. And then I'm going to pick up my chain nose pliers. I'm going to go to the tip. And then just bend it like that. Just bend it across. Not to close it, but just bend it. It should look like that. And then so you got a hook there now. There's a hook there now, and then just bring this and go in. Like that, and you can just bend this little bit there, this little tail here. So there you've got the kidney hook. It's a little bit too long, so if you find it a bit too long, you can pick up your flush cutters and cut a bit off. Mind this bit's gonna fly, and bend it like that. So I think it looks better. There's your kidney hook there. Open it and then close it like that. And then you're going to pick up your file, because this bit's going to be sharp. So pick up your file and just file it. So Keep filing it so it's nice and smooth. So there you've got your kidney hook, open and closing it. And then you can change it and put different things there, charms and beads and things like that. So now we're going to make this bit, this pretty bit here. So I'm going to pick up my wire again. And this time we're going to cut 2 inches off wire. So I got my ruler, 2 inches of wire, see it like that? And then just where my thumb is, just pick up my flush cutters, in the back of my flush cutters and cut it. Put away the wire. So we've got this nice bit of wire here. It's 22 gauge as well. And then the next thing we're going to do is about 1 inch, go in at 1 inch. Get me ruler, 1 inch like that. And then pick up your round nose pliers. And I'm going to go where this is, that little mark, because I want the earrings to look identical. So I've put that there where the 1 inch is. And then I'm going to just bring that round, bring it round, bring it round. Like that. And then bring this tail right down like that. So look like a P. Look like a P. And then just going to clamp it with my chain nose pliers. And take this little tail. And just twist it around. Keep the coils near to each other and twist about 3 times. About 3 times you're going to twist it. Twisting it like that. And be careful twisting it. Or you can always take another pliers and twist it. Like that. So it should look like that. It's a bit wonky. So I'm going to pick up my round nose pliers and I'm going to straighten the hoop like that. Right, we've got this pokey bit sticking out that we don't want. So I'm going to turn it round, pick up my chain nose pliers and give it another turn. Give it another turn. Turned it again. So we got this little pokey bit. I might just close it. Sometimes I cut it off or sometimes I just bring it together. There. Turn it again. And just keep closing it. Closing it and tucking it in. That. Get the hole a bit more central again. So it should look like that. Loop there, three coils there, tucked in, and this nice straight bit here. Pick up the bead. Put that on there. And then pick up your chain nose pliers and turn it to the side, kind of bend it to the side like that, nearly 90 degrees angle. Pick up your round nose pliers, get on the tip of it and slowly form a loop that you are going to close. You make sure that loop at the top, that loop is closed. Like that. Just going to close that there and then twist that there. So now that this is made, you can either you can thread it on. So that so that you have the wire wrap at the top, or you can have it the other way. with the plain bit at the top. I think it looks better with the wire at the top. Myself. Yeah, I think that looks more noticeable with the wire at the top. And any other beads or charms, you can just thread them on. Or you can stick a charm on. That'd be nice as well. Nice and interchangeable. So if you like the video, please press the like button. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing and press the notification bell so that YouTube lets you know when I've made another video. I'll put my social links if you want to follow me on social media, and also I'll put my Etsy shop down if you want to have a look at that, where I've made my latest fashion jewellery, some phone straps and some key rings, and I'm going to add much more. I will link another wire wrap video that you can make.